Let's do a bit of hoovering. Look, it's got those lovely yellow gloves just for you. Nice rubber gloves, because we can't do any hoovering without gloves, can we? Well, we can, but we like the gloves. Let's check it works. Yes. Henry is in a good mood. Some car repair or something, have you? It's disgusting. Oh, right. Well, that's not... I always tell you to change your shirt before you come in. Can't do anything with you then, can we? Oh, we were cleaning anyway. Because it stinks of you. Oh, good job, I've got an empty bag because you've got about 2 kilos of dust in there. Look at that. It's ruining my good carpet, my best carpet. Oh. What would you do if I wasn't here?
Brush it off on the carpet.
Oh, it's disgusting. Have you no respect for the house? It's an expensive one, it's pure silk from Persia, that is.
It's nylon from B&Q, isn't it?
How dare you say my mother offered me a carpet from B&Q? Of course it's not, it's from Persia. She told me she got it in Iran during the war. She came back home robed in it, so to avoid to be kidnapped by God knows who. Well, you're looking a bit more decent now, at least. Oh, look at the mess of you. You've got some here too. Oh, well, that's fine. You've not got any on you. That's a relief. I don't know where you've been. I think you've just been to the football match, haven't you? With your mates, drinking beer. got some around the neck. So we need a good shower after that. And you can just take off your trousers. It's terrible. And your socks. That's poor socks. You know, before you came in, I spent half an hour cleaning that carpet, you know.
It will take long to do that.
Oh, it will, because I was doing it with really good detail, with a brush. And then I finished it off with my large tool there, because that's the viewer's favourites. By the way, did the hairdresser give you a discount for your highlights?
No, I paid full price for it.
Good price.
It's nice.
I think it's good. Yeah, it looks really nice. That does.
I
Yeah.
like it.
Yeah. I think it'd look better in red though.
We'll go back to change it.
Well, maybe
Unless you pay for it.
next time, well, blonde's too desirable. You may get kidnapped by the Persian carpet sellers. Show me your back. Have you got anything around the back? No, yeah, you've got still a bit left there. Show me the sole of your foot so I can hoover them. Thank you. We don't want any more on the carpets than we need to have. The state of that, the state of it. I tell you, all this work, it's working.
Yes, Mom.
Thank you very much. You're clean now. You can go and...
I'll go have a shower now.
well, you can do that and you can go and see your mates at the club, can't you, for a minute?
Oh, no.
Well, at the dinner, yeah. Go on then.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for
Thank you
that.
so much.
Well, you're welcome. Now I've got to carry on doing my cleaning now, don't I? Men, can't live with them, can't live without them. What a mess. I've got to hoover the carpet. Shall I do it with a brush? Do you want to sit on with a brush? You like the brush, don't you? Look at that. Look at all this mess from when he came in. It's disgusting. Look at that. Disgusting. That's my neighbor just come in. She's going to help me to do the sweeping because there's too much dust over there. while he's gone to the pub to give me a holiday. We don't want them around too much, do we? Making a mess in our home. Oh shit. Oh, I just thought I've left the roast in the oven. It's going to be overcooked. And now he's gone to the pub. He'll be hours yet watching the football, won't he? I'll just have to eat roast beef on my own. Never mind. Right, I think that's done. Oh, thanks Tina, thanks for giving me a hand, I much appreciate. Cheers then. See you later Tina. Bye bye.